Hey everyone, I'm came with another awesome video where I'll show you the platform which provide Claude Opus 4.8 for free. Not only Claude Opus, you can get access of GPT 5.6, Terra Luna and other model of GPT and Anthropic family. Best part, you can use it for free up to your 25 project. Then let's get started. Use your favorite browser and search for ClickUp. ClickUp provide this service until your 25 project. It will provide the intelligence model for free. First, let's create the account. Sign up with your email address, or you can easily sign up with your Google account as well. I'm selecting Google account. Give any answer that you want. From where you have know about this platform, for which purpose do you want to use. Do you use any of this tool? Yes, I'm using Figma. Which feature are you interested in trying? AI. Finish. After providing this all the information, you are ready to use. This is the home screen. If you want to use some other feature, then explore it, but now we only want to use AI. Here AI platform will be reflected. Select it and you can get 25 uses. Keep in mind, from each usage you can create each project. I will show you the demo. If you ask hello, then it will take one usage. One usage will be gone. And if you select max, then it will automatically use the best model from OpenAI and Anthropic. If you want to use any specific model just like Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Sonnet 4.6, GPT 5.6, Terra Luna, Gemini 3.1 Pro, then you can easily use any specific model. Here I am going to build one project to demonstrate it. Then it's even the small project or it's even the large project, or if you just ask hello, it will takes one usage. Where I am going to build one Mario game. Okay, currently there are 25 uses remaining. I'll provide this prompt where I have used Claude Opus 4.8. It will only takes one usage. By this way you can build 25 project from 25 credit, or if you want more you can log in with some other email and easily use it. Let's wait until it will complete this task. It is fast as well. It will complete and build a one Mario game inside one HTML file. Let's open. How does it look? And we are going to test it. Does it work or not? Oh, here you can see it will didn't provide the link to run. That's why I will ask them to provide the link where we can directly run it. From here you can run it in browser. See, press start. This is the game. Wow, game is awesome. Okay, game look good. I like it. It is working perfectly as well. Game over. By this way you can play this game which is working as perfectly. Okay. Yeah, again game over. It will create a perfect game. I like it. Okay, this is the power of Claude Opus 4.8. Okay, game is working perfectly. Okay, by this way you can use this platform to build your project. I'll show you by building another landing page from simple online prompt. Let's see which type of landing page it will create. I have give one simple prompt, create a landing page. We are going to test its capability, not only the coding, thinking capability as well and understanding capability as well. From this one line prompt, which type of landing page it will generate. Can see currently I have used 4 credit and 21 credit is remaining here. If you want more credit, log in with another email and use it. From each credit it will build one project. Okay, this is the landing page. Let's run it in browser. Okay, it will generate one landing page for plumber bro. Can see it will add animation as well, play now button, see feature, steps, how to play, step to play the game, footer part. Okay, it will create the one perfect landing page for one game. You can see it will analyze your previous response as well. By this way you can easily use this platform for your general tasks, or you can use this platform to build your small project as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Okay, bye bye.